Imagine this, coming home to your condo, tucked away in River Heights, close to everything that you need. Condo living means the grass gets mowed, the snow gets cleared, the landscaping gets taken care of, and you don't have to lift a finger. This is condo living at its best, and it comes with a pool. When you step inside, you'll immediately see just how much space there is. This isn't your average condo. This is a two-story townhouse condo with 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Everything is done for you. It is turnkey and move-in ready. This unit offers fantastic division of space, with the primary being on the 2nd floor and the other bedroom being on the main floor. If you're living with a family member or a friend, you each get your own space. And the storage in here is genuinely remarkable, with a storage room like this, plus another one on the main floor and another one outside. Within this complex, you get an in-ground pool and a lounge area, perfect for summertime. There's ample visitor parking and your pets are welcome too. 2 beds, 2 baths, townhouse style condo, and you get this massive deck. Book your showing because this one won't last.